right, we've had our fun. I'm willing to do this the correct way. So
Are
let's
you really?
see. Yeah. So let's see. How about the factory? What's in here?
All right, they got some jump passes in there, and I'm not even sure what else. A family fun pack for sure.
Shiny envelope.
Who we got?
Family fun pack goes to
Cindy Ross. You and Jason just got back from an amazing vacation. Now you get to go do some jumping at the factory.
Zoo.
We got a family 4-pack of passes to the zoo. 2 adults, 2 kids. Pat Dupree, congratulations. Jellyfish Restaurant in Perdido Key, $25. Thank you, Brian. We've got Ryan Beebe, congratulations with Beebe's Pest Control.
His name's on the door.
I know, his name is on the door. All right, and we got some gift card here to Tanger Outlets. That goes to, who we got? Cindy Ross, double winner. See, that's what happened, folks. You enter more than once, you can win more than once. What else
How
we
about
got,
we
Ryan?
get a prize first before we do that?
Oh, $25 to Cosmos. Awesome. I ate there last night. It was fantastic.
That's good to hear.
Who we got? Kyla Van Landingham. Congratulations. Kayla. Sorry. Said your name wrong.
Yeah.
All right. What we got now? Florabama. Membership card for 2020 and some other goodies in there. That goes to Jennifer Lenane. Congratulations, Jennifer. She was a big winner before Christmas. We got another gift card to the Jellyfish, $25 in Perdido Key. That goes to Leslie Haley. Congratulations, Leslie. We have a gift bag from the Lotus CBD in Orange Beach. And that goes to, who we got? Ashley Avery with BB's Pest Control. As a matter of fact, BB's is a big winner today.
Her name is not on the door.
And then we have 2 really nice gift bags from the Gulf Shores Orange Beach Tourism. Nice cooler bags filled with some goodies inside. Our first winner for one of those is Judy McManus. Congratulations. And the second winner, give these one
the last
final
prize?
shuffle. This is it. This is the last prize for Selfie with an Elfie. This goes to Philip.
He had to.
Philip from Sherwin-Williams. Congratulations, Philip. Giatina, congratulations. Thank you guys for playing Selfie with an Elfie.
I think this has been really successful. Thanks for all the prizes.
Oh, and he's gone with all the prizes. Don't worry, I promise I'll get them back. Stay tuned for details on our next Shop Where You Beach campaign. We're looking at doing an Easter egg hunt in the spring, so y'all stay tuned for that. Thanks so much. Bye.
Okay. Ah, crap. I forgot my key.